Hi, I'm Ryan from Foxtech, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel uploads in your iPad's photo collection. Whether you're dealing with iCloud Photos or another cloud service, knowing how to manage or stop uploads can be really useful, especially if you need to free up some bandwidth or simply change your mind about what you're uploading. Let's go through the steps. First, open the Photos app on your iPad. This is where you can see all the photos and videos currently being uploaded. If you have iCloud Photos enabled, your iPad automatically uploads your photos and videos to iCloud, keeping everything in sync across your devices. If you want to pause or stop this upload process, you can do so easily. To pause the upload, you'll need to go to your iPad's settings. Tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings, then select iCloud and go to Photos. Here, you'll see an option to toggle off iCloud Photos. By turning this off, you'll pause any ongoing uploads to iCloud, and it will stop all future uploads as well. If you're still in the Photos app and you notice that a specific upload is in progress, you can pause that individual upload. Look for the Upload Progress indicator, which might appear as a spinning circle or a progress bar. Tap on it, and you should see an option to pause the upload. This is handy if you only want to temporarily stop the upload without turning off iCloud Photos entirely. In case you're uploading photos to a third-party app or another cloud service like Google Photos or Dropbox, the process will be slightly different. Open the respective app where the upload is happening and look for an option to pause or cancel the upload. Most apps have this feature within their interface, usually accessible by tapping on the upload progress or going into the app's settings. And that's how you manage and cancel uploads in your iPad's photo collection. Whether you're using iCloud or another service, it's good to know how to control what gets uploaded and when, so you can keep your device and your cloud storage organized just the way you like it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you later.